Welcome back. Today we're going to be solving the next question from our SQL 50 LeetCode series. Friend request to who has the most friends. Okay, so here's your question. So you have this table request accepted with 3 columns. So you have the requester ID, acceptor ID, and accept date. And these are the data types. And the table contains the ID of the user who sent the request, the ID of the user who received the request, and the date when the requests were accepted. Okay, so here's the question. Write a solution to find the people who have the most friends and the most friends numbers. The test cases are generated so that only one person has the most friends. Okay, so you'll only have one person with the most friends. You can't have multiple people with most friends. So here's an example input and output. So here you have all of these requester IDs and the acceptor IDs. So for requester ID 1, 2 accepted the request. So the requester ID 1 is friends with 2 and then 3. And then requester ID 2 is friends with 3. And then requester ID 3 is friends with 4. And since requester ID 2 is friends with acceptor ID 3, 3 is also friends with 2. Okay, so in this example, the person with ID 3 is friend of people 1, 2, and 4. So ID 3 is friend with requester ID 1 with 2, and then 3 is also friends with acceptor ID 3. So your output will show that requester ID. So what we are trying to find here is the requester ID or the acceptor ID with the most count. So you have to look at both of these columns to find your answer, not just one. Okay, so I'm going to come back to our SQL Server Management Studio and we have this table. So let's start writing our query. So what we are trying to find here is we want to select the requester ID. And let's just give it an alias. So we want to find the requester ID from request accepted. And then what we are going to do is we're going to union it with the acceptor ID because we are trying to find that ID with the most count in either column. So we're just going to do a union all with acceptor ID. So I'm going to have my requester ID and then acceptor ID. Okay, so let's run this right now. So, and from here we can easily find the count for each one of them. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this whole thing in a subquery. So I'm just going to select from here. Okay, so I'm just going to select the ID from here. I'm going to put this whole thing as my subquery. Let's execute the whole thing. So now we're going to see just the ID. So we have this as a subquery. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to see the count. I want to see the count for each one of the IDs. So I'm just going to call it count. And I am going to group it by ID. Because we are using aggregates, we are using count. So I'm going to use a group by. And here I'm just selecting from this table so we can see side by side. So here you're clearly seeing all the IDs with your count. So for ID 1 you have count 2, for 2 you have count 3, for 3 you have count 3, and for 4 you have count. So let's just now order it by. Now we're gonna select the maximum from here. So I can just order it by the count here. Order by count, descending. Okay, so now I'm seeing the one with the highest count first, and finally I only want to see the top one, so I can just do the top one from here. So I only see one count here. Okay, and so we are now seeing the ID number 3 and their count. Okay, so this is all we need. So I'm just gonna copy our solution here. I'm gonna come back to our LeetCode here. Let's just see all the column names here. So we have ID here. And the alias for this, for the count, should be num, not count. So I'm just going to rename it to num. I'm going to change it here. And then this is by descending. Okay, this should be all. Let's execute our solution here. Okay, ran successfully. If you found this helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to my channel. And let me know if you guys have any questions. Thank you for watching.